And I mean, just to keep the optimization thing going, there were crazy evolutions and things happening. Remember I told you that AlphaGo algorithm was going to change the world? Well, then it did, 2021. Instead of playing a game of Go, which is cool and all, they decided to throw it at this problem of estimating the geometry of a protein. Do you know how this works? Basically, you've got amino acids in a sequence, and it's all lined up in this long chain. And it's going to fold up due to the laws of physics into a geometry, a 3D shape. But no one knows what that 3D shape is, so people had very, very, very methodically used X-ray crystallography, really expensive methods to try and guess the shapes, because if you know the shapes, you might be able to guess what it's going to bind to. It's very useful for biology. The problem is it was really difficult. And in all of human history, you know, maybe kind of 60 or 70 years of being able to do this kind of thing, we've done 173,000, we're pretty proud of ourselves. This thing comes along, and it uses that same Go playing algorithm to estimate this matrix of distances between the final geometric shapes. And from the matrix of distances, you can work out the actual shape itself. And it does it so well that by today now, over 99% of all proteins have been structurally worked out. You've got 214 million of them. They're just in a database. You could just go into this database and get the structure of any protein. It's a solved problem, which is crazy, because if you went back to 2020, people would have said this problem will maybe get to 190,000 by 2025, but we're at 200 million. Then ChatGPT came out, and everybody heard about these models, which was really more of a popularity thing than a technical thing.